Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Travel Bugby. So for today's video, I thought I'd just sit down with a cup of tea and just explain and apologise for the lack of consistency with my videos lately. So for the past 2 or 3 weeks then, I have been going through a bit of a writer's block, except in YouTube form, if that makes any sense. And in one of my videos there a couple weeks ago, I did say...
And just a quick side note, I will be hoping to post 2 times a week, so every Tuesday and Thursday I will have a new video for you guys.
As soon as I said that, I just went... like my mind just went blank and I couldn't think of anything good to post, and anything that I did try and film and edit, just halfway through editing I just didn't like it, I didn't feel for it, and I just scrapped the whole thing. So it's been a tough couple of 2 or 3 weeks. I think my main issue was that I was setting the bar way too high for myself. I was putting myself under pressure to get videos out twice a week, and it just wasn't happening. Also, I do want to apologise for the really bad lighting. It's quite dark outside. I think it's going to thunder and everything. The sky looks atrocious and it's pretty late in the evening, so sorry again. I am a small YouTuber. I only have double-digit subscribers, which I am so grateful for. Thank you so much. And basically, I think I was comparing myself to the bigger YouTubers who've been at this for a very long time, and I think I was just setting the bar way too high. And I think I'll just take my time at it. I mean, YouTube is hard. I mean, I didn't expect it to be easy now. I knew it was going to be hard work. And I think I was trying to grow my channel a bit faster than I was capable of. So I think that was my main issue. So with that, I'm going to go back down and try and post once a week. So that way I'm not putting myself under constant pressure to have a video out. But I am going to try and post as often as I can. When I started this channel, I knew it was going to be about travel. That's why I named it Travel Bugby. And I didn't realise how hard it would be to get content out when you're not travelling. I'm not going anywhere until July for the minute, and just trying to get content out while I'm at home saving, it's a lot harder than I thought. And a lot of the videos that you can do sitting at home have been done 10 million times before, like 10 hacks for this or 10 tips for that, or you know, they've been done before. It's hard to come up with something that's unique. And that's why I'm taking a bit of a step back, get my act together, get some ideas flowing, and hopefully produce some really good content. Like, I don't want this channel to be like my last channel. My last channel, as much as I loved most of the videos that I posted, I was trying to be like everybody else. But this is my channel and I want it to be the way I want it to be. I want it to be unique. I want to be happy with every single thing that I post. And I know it's not going to be easy, but I'm willing to take that challenge. If you stuck by me for the last couple of weeks, thank you so much. I am so grateful for that. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. And also follow me on my social medias. All the links are down there. And I'll see you then for the next video. So thanks very much, and I'll see you again.